History of Dembi Agricultural and Industrial Show. The Dembi Agricultural and Industrial Show is a trademark event that has been entrenched in the culture of the Jamaican people from 1953 to present. Since 1895, the Jamaica Agricultural Society, JAS, promotes agriculture and mounts several shows island-wide. The first show was staged in Kendal, Clarendon. Since then, shows are held in every parish throughout the island. The main attractions are livestock, agricultural and horticultural exhibits. The Dembi Show is held every year at Maypen, Clarendon for 3 days. The pulsating activities offer wholesome entertainment to approximately 60,000 patrons that have been attending the event on an annual basis. Exposition promotes the farmer's livelihood. That is the finest quality agricultural produce from varied commodity groups, its value-added products, industrial and technological equipment from main stakeholders connected within the agricultural sector. Traditionally, each day of the show is especially dedicated to a particular government official who addresses the audience or consumers. These persons have made valuable contribution to the show. Governor of Puerto Rico in 1955. The former Governor Generals, Sir Clifford Campbell, Sir Florizel Glasspool, Sir Howard Cook, Professor Sir Kenneth Hall, and the present Governor General, Sir Patrick Allen. Heads of government who also attended the show were Sir Alexander Bustamante, Right Honorable Norman Manley, Right Honorable Hugh Shearer, Sir Donald Sangster, Right Honorable Michael Manley, Right Honorable Edward Siaga, the Most Honorable P.J. Pattison, the Most Honorable Portia Simpson Miller, the Most Honorable Bruce Golding, and the Most Honorable Andrew Holness have all supported and assisted in the promotion of this historical event. Special attention has consistently been placed on the Champion Farmer and Young Champion Farmers competition that showcase farmers who have excelled in cutting-edge farm practices. The National Farm Queen competition is another main event that provides a spark of elegance and class to the event and the promotion of women in agriculture.